Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to set the email cancellation feature in Gmail. So let's say that you have an experience where you send the wrong email to a certain account or person, or maybe you forgot to attach a file in your email. You can undo or you can unsend the email if you activate this feature on Gmail. So here is how you can do that. So in your Gmail, go to settings and click on see all settings, and then here at the general tab just scroll down and you'll find the undo send option. So here is the send cancellation period. So after you click on send on the email, you can set the this feature, but I think to be safe you need to set it at the longest time, which is 30 seconds, so that if you realize that something is wrong or you forgot to attach a file in your email, you can just undo the email. And I'm going to just save the setting first, save changes, and I'm gonna show you how to use the feature. Okay, so I'm going to compose an email, and let's say that I send an email to this important. So let's say that I forgot to attach or write an email in this. So I'm going to just send it first. I'm going to click on send. And in here, you can see the undo option. If you realize that you forgot something, you can just click undo, and then the email will be show up again like this, and then you can rewrite the email that you want to send. Okay, so I think that's all. I hope this will be helpful to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.